Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple tech tutorials to keep your browser clean, fast, and efficient. Is your Chrome browser running slow because of too many extensions? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly remove all extensions from Google Chrome to boost performance. Step 1. Open the Chrome menu. Launch Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools, then select Extensions to open the Extensions dashboard. Step 2. View installed extensions. On the Extensions page, you'll see a complete list of all extensions installed in your Chrome browser. Scroll through the list and identify the extensions you want to remove. Make sure to subscribe now so you never miss quick practical tech hacks for your daily workflow. Step 3. Remove an extension. Click the Remove button located under the extension you want to delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to remove the extension. Step 4. Confirm the removal. Click Remove again in the confirmation box to permanently delete the extension from Chrome. Repeat this process for each extension until you've removed all the ones you don't need. Step 5. Restart your browser. After removing the extensions, close and restart Google Chrome to apply all the changes. This ensures your browser runs cleaner, faster, and without unnecessary add-ons. And that's how you can remove all extensions from Google Chrome to improve browser speed and performance. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more quick and practical tech tutorials.